vlog, si Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa na to the reaction video ang solo performance ni Heat sa All Out Sunday. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Anong atake? Go! Wapo talaga ni Muy Muy.
Hi, I'm Heat
Wala
Morales
na.
and this is my Ayos Slam Book. Ang tawag sa akin ay Moy Moy kasi ayun yung pangalan na binigay sa akin ng lola ko nung bata pa ako. Saan pala lola ko ng Moy Moy Palaboy? I just turned 17 last May 5. Happy belated birthday to me! Ang favorite color ko po ay color blue dahil yung favorite content creator ko ng bata ko, he makes a lot of video game content. Favorite color niya, blue. Ang favorite expression ko po ay Yo! I don't know why, I just love doing it kasi pag may nakita akong something cool or something crazy just happened, I just pull out that emote. Nagkaka-crush ako
Baby
sa isang
talaga siya,
girl na
no? Ay, crush type. Gwapo niya talaga.
magaling kumanta.
From Ayos Slam Book answers to heartfelt music, handa na siyang magpakilig sa kanyang debut single. Performing Back to You here on the All Out Sunday stage. Ang bagong teen crush ng bayan, Heath Hornales.
I feel alive.
Ay, ang
When
gwapo
I'm with
niya.
you, everything feels right.
Everything feels right.
You flow like a feather, but you float away from me.
Very binata, ang cutie. Baby
So
boy.
let me know when you see that I'm madly in love with you, and it's hard for me to let you go. I try to chase after you, but still.
In fairness to him, kung hindi mo kilala si Heat, masasabi mo siya na para siyang tunog international or foreign singer, no?
I try to chase after you, but still I'm just too slow.
Wala ba si Cap dyan?
Build a bridge for the both of us, but I'm the only one who will cross. While you stared and watched it fall, kept calling you at night, but you keep hanging up the phone. So then I fall apart. I fall apart. I fall apart. But in the end, I still fall back to you.
Wow! Ganda naman.
Let's go.
Ay, andyan yung mga tropa niya. Okay.
Grabe naman! Nice one, Heat! Grabe, ang ganda naman ng kantang yan. Heat, may tanong kami sa'yo.
Tunog international nga siya. Ayan na. Tingnan natin.
Ano siya?
Tunog international talaga siya.
Based on the experiences of my friends and
Iwe.
mga kwento nila sa akin. Ayun,
Ay,
sabi ko,
we. Hindi nga.
Akala
Hindi
kasi
nga. Talaga
namin si
siya, no?
Sino?
Sino? Si Ka?
Ayan, grabe, no?
Nagsisigawan
Kaya
yung mga
excited
copy.
na talaga ang supporters mo para sa mga next projects mo. Ano, baka naman may konti kang paayuda at update tungkol dyan.
Okay.
Update po sa mga future projects ko po. Meron po
Ayun na.
yung
Yung
meron
series.
po kaming coming soon na teleserye po.
Ah.
You're my favorite song.
Teleserye.
Or
Ano yung
po,
my
si
favorite
Clifford,
song?
si Caprice din po. Kaya, ayun.
Okay,
Abangan
pwede
niyo po
na.
yan, guys.
Wala na. Private na ang video nila for today's video. wait lang. Na-private na yung video nila for today's video. Anyway, so dito for today's video, nabiti naman ako dun sa performance ni Heat. Oy, in fairness, tunog ano siya. Tunog, what you call this, international siya. Alam mo yung parang mga One Direction na mga rhythm and beat of the song. And if I'm not mistaken, back to yung title, di ba? If I'm not mistaken, he was the one who composed this song. Right? So yeah, that is it for today's video. This is K-Pop Vlogs. This is your next vlog. Bye!